Suppose you want to create a group for your Panther Learn class and you want students to be able to enroll in groups of their choosing. In that case, we'll want to create self-enrollment groups. Start by going to Edit Course. Scroll down to Learner Management and select Groups. Create a new category. Name it whatever you like. Give it a description. Scroll down and under Enrollment Type, you'll want to choose one of these three options for self-enrollment. You could choose the number of groups, so maybe you here only want to have 4 groups and everybody has to distribute themselves in 4 groups. Or you could have groups of a certain numbers. You could have groups of 4 people, or you could have both. Let's check out both. So now I'm going to have to say how many users do I want in each group? Let's say 4. And then how many groups do I want? How about 6? Any restrictions? This is if you have other groups, you could force students to choose the same group that they are already in. We're going to have no restrictions here. Group prefix, so it's going to default to group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. You could say something else like team or cohort. You could give a start date so that they can't enroll in the groups sooner than that. You can also give an end date, and then you can allocate unenrolled users after that self-enrollment date expires. You can also go ahead and set up a discussion area so that when students enroll in their group, they can go straight into a discussion. The same would be for a locker or a Dropbox. So let's go ahead and create a new forum and add this discussion. We'll call this Group Project and give a description and save. And it's going to create a new topic for us. I want to create one topic with threads separated by the group so that it'll be connected to just one grade item. I can give some directions, and I can create and next. The discussion has been created. Now it takes me back to the self-enrollment group. I can scroll down, review my selections, and then I'll click Save. So now I have created a self-enrollment group. It's got all 6 groups and no members have been chosen yet. So now what I need to do is go to Content, and I want to add that discussion to content so that students can easily find it. There it is, that group project forum and the self-enrollment discussion. So now this has been added to our content. If I don't like that name, see how it has groups twice? I can click Edit Properties in Place and edit it. Okay, now students will not be able to see this discussion until you first invite them to sign up for the group. The way to do that, the best way to do that is with a quick link. In order to invite students to enroll in a group before they can see the discussion, you'll have to create a quick link. Highlight the text, and here select from the list self-enrollment groups. And there you'll see the group that you just created. And click Update. So let's see what it would look like from a student's view. I'm going to log out and log in as a test student. I'll navigate to that same course. If I go to Content, Group Self-enrollment, notice as a student here, I cannot see that discussion below. And so I have to click here to sign up for a group. Let's see, which group do I want? I'm going to go with group 3. Select. Yes, I would like that. And here it will show all of the groups that I'm enrolled in for various projects. And then I can go back to Content. And now the group discussion is available to me.